Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We have another unboxing for you today. Another unboxing slash review. Today we got this. It is a Mubview intelligent PZT camera. Guys, you know we've tried cameras on this channel before and we found some that we loved. Go check those out too. Some different brands. We also have rings. We have a bunch of stuff. But this one's pretty cool. We were looking for another camera. This company reached out and said, hey, would you like to give us a try? We said, sure. This one has two-way audio, motion detection, warning and playback, night vision, panoramic view, the Wi-Fi connection, the cloud storage, activity zone, all that good stuff. It also it could be for baby care, home security, elder care, or pet care. So if you scan this code here, you can download the app, which I've actually already downloaded it just to save a little bit of time. So let's get to opening this box and see what's in here. Now, before we do that, make sure you hit that subscribe button, comment, share, all that good stuff so that you're notified next time we do one of these product reviews, because you never know, we might show something on this channel that can help you out. If you guys are interested in this camera, we will put a link down below, as long as it works, which I'm assuming it will. Super easy to unbox. Take off the plastic wrap, little piece of plastic here. This looks like the typical camera that we just did for another company. So here we go, unbox it. Not too much in the box, but instructions, which if you watch the last video, make sure you read the instructions because it won't work if you don't read it. And here is the camera right here. This is honestly a sharp looking camera. Right here, wood grain base. Looks like the speaker's back here, plugs in here. Let's get this open real quick. Let's see what comes in this box. So we have the mount for the lock, we have some screws, and we have the charging block. I'm going to plug this in so that we can see what is going on. I think I have a plug that's open. The one thing about these cameras is these ones got to be plugged in. Let me plug this in real quick. Okay, so now we're plugged in here. The red light is turned on. I'm going to try to add it because I think that's what we want to do next. On the camera or on the app, actually it's going to find it right now, which is actually pretty cool. So it actually already found the camera after I signed in. So we're going to select that. Now it says hold the device power button. Where's the device power button at? See guys, this is why you read the instructions. Actually, only if read the instructions only if it's asleep. So now we're going to connect to the internet. Let's see if I can remember my internet password. I'm going to scan the code on here. So we're scanning. That thing picked up pretty quick, I think. So now it says 2 minutes. Make sure the device is powered on, make sure the device is connected to the router, and make sure the device and phone are on the same network. Now it'll be connected to the network as long as I typed in my Wi-Fi password, because I haven't typed that thing in for a while. So we have about 1 minute and 50 seconds until this is done trying to connect. So I'll let you know when it's connected. Okay guys, so this is actually super weird. I had a hard time connecting it, but it finally connected. You can see right here. I'm actually going to show it to you. Yep, right here. But here's the camera, and actually, where is it? There we go. There's that great looking dude right there. I'll show it, flip it around. Pretty good picture. There's our logo. But yeah, actually really good quality camera. I think it's actually, I kind of like it. But let me get this off of here real quick. So this is what it looks like right here. Nice camera. I think you can actually do some different modifications for it right here. But yeah, the camera looks great. So yeah, it actually has everything here. Still got to set the date and time, but really nice looking camera. And I think we can do some other fun stuff too. You can hold the talk. You can actually take a screenshot right here. Oh, you can actually hold the talk. You can actually do a screenshot. Take it there. You can record a motion detection lens switch. I'm not sure what lens switch is. This is successful, but I'm not sure what that means. lens switch. I'm not sure what that does, but yeah. So right there, nice clear picture. We're gonna take a thumbnail. Here's the thumbnail for the video. So there we go, guys. There is the camera. That is the smart PTZ indoor camera right here. Pretty nice camera. So guys, if you were interested in this camera, take a look at the link in the description down below. This is a nice indoor camera. It's not outdoors. You have to keep this indoors somewhere. It actually doesn't look ugly either. So I'm gonna put it somewhere in the house. Maybe you keep an eye on the dog, keep an eye on the kids, stuff like that. But yeah, nice camera, especially for the price point. Now I noticed something that, like with us, is trying these different cameras out. We have many different apps now. You might find one of these cameras that you really like, and then you can stick with that same app. They're all pretty good cameras, and this one's really nice. It actually has a really nice look to it. It doesn't look generic. It has that nice wood base to it. So really nice looking camera, and I can't wait to keep using this. So again, if you're interested, take a look in the link down below. If you're interested, take a look at the description down below for the link. It'll send you over to that camera. And until the next video, guys, remember, subscribe, comment, share, all the fun stuff so that you're notified next time we do a video. Until next time, we'll see you later. Bye.